In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact DHL customer service. Now, this is going to depend on the country you're currently in and, of course, why you want to contact them. Now, you want to go to their official website, and depending on your country, it may look a bit different or the same as mine over here. By default, you should be able to see a customer service button here at the top, but if you are currently in a country which doesn't have this button, you want to go to the bottom of their website, and here under quick links, most likely, there's going to be a customer service or a support button. So you want to click on that, and it's going to take you to a page which is going to look something like this. In here, as you can see, you have the option to put in your tracking number. Now that's going to be the best if you actually want to get in contact right away. So if you have a tracking number, it's going to let them find the right division contact to answer your direct questions. So type it in over here, click on find contact, and they'll give you contact right away. However, if you don't have a tracking number or you lost it or something like that, you can also go and click on no tracking number over here, and now it's going to ask you who do you want to talk to. You have a bunch of different options over here, so it's completely up to you depending on your own personal case who you want to contact. But of course, I'm just going to click on, for example, other I don't know, but you can do any of these and just go with, of course, these links given to you. So many of these are going to allow you to basically click on a specific link, which is going to take you to a separate page. For example, this one is DHL Express, and then from here you will get your numbers. They have the support over here. You can see when they're working, you can see their call number, etc. over here for your specific country, which of course is going to be quite neat. And then from here, if you do something else, you may directly get things like business kind of phone numbers over here. You can send them emails directly, etc. But of course, you may also have to go through any of these questionnaires. So if you do other I don't know, you'll be able to select, of course, what it's related. I'm going to do shipment, then package, then from here I'm going to do standard, and then as you can see, it's going to take you to the contact which is the most relevant for your case. Okay, so again, depending on your country, numbers are going to vary, phone numbers going to be different, emails as well maybe, and then from here you can just find your contact using this customer service portal just like this by clicking these buttons depending on your situation. That's how to contact DHL customer service. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.